Hello students, let's take a multiple choice question on conceptual framework. So according to concept statement number 8, which of the following is a primary user of the general purpose financial reports? The primary users of general purpose financial reports are investors, lenders, and other creditors. So if the organization has borrowed funds from bank, yes, bank is a primary user of general purpose financial reports. Investors, shareholders, those who have lent money to the organization, those are the primary users of the general purpose financial reports. Customers are not primary users of general purpose financial reports. Competitors are not primary users of the general purpose financial reports. Employees are not the primary users of the general purpose financial reports. But yes, investors are the primary users. Other members of public are not the primary users. Even regulatory bodies are not primary users of the general purpose financial reports. All right, students, I hope this is helpful. We'll connect again.